In this series of videos, we wanted to highlight the different meanings behind the term design automation, the different opportunities that can arise, and how these relate to you and your business. Along with some potential solutions and benefits, this video explores design automation for capturing the knowledge. There are many businesses around the world who have been utilizing 3D CAD data for digital prototyping and optimization, bringing with it a vast number of improvements over 2D workflows in areas of design, engineering, and manufacturing. However, many businesses have reached a point where they need to automate and capture design data to speed up processes and allow for more productivity and advancement. So what does this look like in daily business operations? Here are some common problem statements we receive where companies could benefit from capturing their design knowledge and intent. Some of these may be questions you have asked or heard in your own businesses, and all areas that design automation could help address. From configured standard products taking too long and consuming too much resource, to providing sales and marketing with a customer-facing configuration tool, or putting the power into customers' hands, or to freeing up time for designers and engineers to work on more unique and higher profile projects. So how can we help address these problems and help you maximize your potential? There are a number of potential solutions available to help in this area of design automation. There is a right solution to suit the size and complexity of your requirements. However, a common need throughout is a close relationship between Excitech and your business processes to ensure all parameters of a design, including inputs and outputs, are captured, documented, and considered to achieve the desired outcomes. Introducing design automation with a focus on capturing the knowledge within your business can equal increased innovation, increased productivity, and reduced development time. So here we have a real-world example from a long-term customer of Excitech, Houdini Marine Windows, where Excitech and Houdini Marine Windows worked together to capture all the design parameters and intent behind one of their popular product lines, which is also highly customizable to suit each client's specific requirements. This delivered a number of key benefits to Houdini Marine Windows, which we wanted to share. Previously, a typical window pattern design would take up to 2 hours to complete. Following the design automation introduced with Inventor and iLogic, this time dropped to 5 minutes. In addition to this, Houdini Marine Windows used to employ 3 designers dedicated to generating these window pattern designs. But due to time savings, they are now down to 1 dedicated resource for this task, freeing up 2 designers to focus on new products and innovation, rather than resources focused on the small details of everyday work. Following the deployment of Inventor and iLogic, Houdini Marine Windows felt that their processes had been turbocharged and revolutionized, meaning that they are able to offer customers more superior solutions whilst delivering a 40% increase in turnover. Overall, the work with Excitech has helped their designs develop faster, smarter, with greater accuracy, and in turn these benefits filter through to the products in customers' hands. So get in touch today and see how we can help you achieve more.